But in any case, you see, when you know, like for example, remember we talked about beliefs, and you say, well, should I get rid of all beliefs? I say, well, I recommend it. Get rid of all beliefs. But yeah, but some beliefs, are useful. Okay. Well, good. So, and what are they useful for? They're useful for self-survival. It's like, that should be the point, right? By now, right? In any case, they're useful. That right away means useful to you. Okay, good. Now, what is it doing and what are the consequences? Can we make distinctions in beliefs? Yes, of course we can. Already have, remember? So, okay, these are valid beliefs, these are just hearsay beliefs, or these are just, fantasy beliefs, or whatever. So you can make those distinctions. You say, I just did. Right? See? I just did. And then you can live in relationship to, say, these beliefs and these beliefs differently. Like, get rid of them. And these beliefs, okay. See? You could. But you understand that they're beliefs, regardless. Yeah. It's not true. It's a belief that seems to work. Okay. You see? Might make a difference in my life. Okay. All right. Now, you got, say, fantasy beliefs, and you go, oh, it's a belief, it's not true, and in this case, it never will be, but it works. All right. For something, whatever, It makes me happy. Tickles me. I put those together. Say, okay. I asked my father when I was a kid at some point, why do you go to church? This is silly. I concluded that relatively early on. Why do you go to church? Why do you do it? And he said, it makes me happy. Okay. Okay. Whatever blows your skirt up, If it makes you happy, then fine. Fuck it. I'd rather go see a movie myself, but, hey, go do it, Whatever reason you say. All right. It's not true. It doesn't have to be true. And that, you understand what I'm saying? We can make any distinctions we want. But we should know first the truth.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.